Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to use the ticket tool on Discord to manage support requests efficiently. Ticket tool is a popular Discord bot that helps server owners handle support reports or questions in an organized and private way. Instead of users messaging moderators directly, tickets create dedicated private channels for each request. To get started, invite the Ticket Tool bot to your Discord server. Go to your server name and click on App Directory. Search for Ticket Tool and add it. Choose your server and click on Continue. Click on Authorize and verify it. Now click on your server, type /setup and press Enter. Click on Create a Panel and set a name. I'll just leave it as New Panel. Select the role. Let's say I want to add the support role, so just click on it. Click on Save and Continue, then select a category. For example, choose a category for text channels and select it. Save and continue. As you can see, I've selected a text channel. Save and continue again. Finally, click on Finish and that sets it. When a user opens a ticket, a private channel is created where only the user and support staff can see the conversation. This keeps discussions organized and prevents sensitive information from being shared publicly. After the issue is resolved, moderators can close or archive the ticket to keep the server clean. Ticket Tool is especially useful for large servers and moderation teams handling frequent support requests. We just learned how to add Ticket Tool to a Discord server, configure ticket settings, create private ticket channels, and manage support requests efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial videos.